Howdy guys, Jake here. We're on scene today with Pelican Underground doing a pipe lining job. It's really a point repair. So as you can see here, we've got a large concrete culvert. We'll pan over and grab this. Large concrete culvert goes into a junction box right up here. This is where we're going to make our access into to do the repair. The actual repair itself is going to happen way down this 48-inch pipe going back toward here. We're right here on the edge of the University campus of Ole Miss, and you can see where this joint's been taking dirt. What's happened is the pipe that's in there, joint to joint, has kinked a little bit, and there's a gap between the two pipes. We're going to go in with a silicate resin on a fiberglass mat, and that mat we're going to stick with a balloon is going to swell to the size of that pipe with that fiberglass mat around it, and that resin cures by ambient temperature cure. Now you've seen some of us do some UV cure where light cures the resin or the epoxy, as well as a steam cure, which is really high heat, really cool. This, we're going to let ambient temperature do its thing on this 48-inch pipe. It's literally going to swell to that joint, completely seal that joint, and cure. It's going to take a few hours to cure, but what you're about to see is chaos. We're down a few guys. We're going to jump in there. We're going to get this thing knocked out. This is going to be a great day, guys.